It's been more than 6 months that I am actively using LuxAlgo Premium Indicator, and I have passed a lot of funding challenges just like that. In this video, you will learn how I use the LuxAlgo's Premium Indicators. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. I am using two different LuxAlgo Premium Indicator. One is Signals and Overlays, the other one is Price Action Concepts. So let's jump over to the Signals and Overlays settings, and I have enabled the AI signal. I have my sensitivity at the 16, and I have enabled the trend catcher, trend tracer, and my classifier is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the signal mode is confirmation and the exit. So that's all settings that I have. Hit the OK button and let's go to the price action concept settings, and these are my settings. I have enabled the volumetric order blocks, the buy sell activity, and the equal highs and lows, the gaps, the fair value gaps of course, and I have my premium discount zones enabled. I have my daily, Monday, weekly, monthly. These are really important for determine the trend of the market and the breakouts in my opinion, and I will explain you why. And the show breakers, it's very important. I always use them. That's actually all of my settings. Hit OK and that's it. We are ready to trade. The first rule that I always follow is I do not trade the pre-market and the after hours. Why? Because I always want to take an action when the volume is in the room. That's how I increase my win rate. Because when there is a no volume, you will get caught up in a ranging market and you will get buy signal, sell signal, buy signal, sell signal, and you will get confused and you will take a lot of false signals. That's why I'm shooting this video, to show you how I trade. Let's take a look at the first example here, and the New York session is opened. We got a sell signal here, right? And this came in the 1 p.m. in the New York time. And we got the sell signal which is classified as 3. Let's make it clear. This 1 is the lowest, 4 is the highest score that signal can get. So 4 is the highest score, which means that highest confidence in that position. You see this signal, and after you need to check your confirmation indicators. What are those? The trend catcher and the trend tracer. If you see that they gave you the red signal, you can confirm your position in the short side. Easy like that. After you enter a position here, I always put my stop loss to the recent resistance line in the short positions, and you will take your profit when you get the X icon from the LuxAlgo. You can take the partials in the first one and you can close all your position in the second one. And in this specific example, after some time we see a break of structure, right? This signal came from the price action concepts. The break of structure is a very confident signal that you can carry your position until you see the X icon. So you can follow up the plan here, right? You will also watch out this trend tracer and the trend catcher. Why? Because if something goes bad, you can get out of from position just like that. Make sure you always follow your confirmation indicators. Let's look at another example here. So the pre-market hours, LuxAlgo gave a buy signal, but it is classified as 1. So it is the lowest point that the signal can get. And also it is in the pre-market hour. We don't care about this, right? We don't want to caught up in a ranging market or the sideways market. But if you took the signal, you could make money, as you see it here. But we are trying to increase our win rate. Of course there can be some exceptions, but we will follow the plan. We will not go out of the plan. If you want to make money, you need to put yourself in this discipline and try out this strategy and suit yourself this whole setup. So now we are in a 5-minute time frame, and as a reminder, don't forget that I have passed a lot of challenge accounts with this setup, and you can see a proof in my YouTube channel as well. Let's dive into this example. We got a 3 classified buy signal from the LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays. So what you need to do is you need to check your confirmation indicators. You need to check the trend tracer, you need to check the trend catcher, what they say you? They gave a green, so which means that you can jump in a long position. But if you want to be in the more safer side, what you can wait is a change of character, right? Because change of character means that market is changing its character, because it was a bearish, now it become bullish. How you understand? It is green, so if it's a green it's bullish, if it's a red it's bearish, easy like that. We jump into long position here, and we always put stop loss, which will be this time here, because this is a pullback area. Market tries to rise here and pull back and ready for a new high. So the take profit is, as you see that we got the X icon here, the first partial will be here and the second partial will be here. But if you notice something, that the LuxAlgo gave the latest X icon here, but what I do is I always close in the second X signal, because I don't want to risk my position. But there is a bonus information for you. So what you can do is, after you close out your first position, you will move your stop loss to your break even, which means that your entrance price. So this trade will be a 100% win and there will be a no loss. This is very important, because after you took your first partial, you will sit back and relax. Just you will watch the market and you will follow the signals, and when you see the X, you will out of the position. That's it. That's how you need to trade. I trade in the 5-minute time frame to take an action, and after I enter a position, sometimes, not always, I switch back down to 1 minute, and sometimes I check the market on the 15-minute time frame to see the bigger picture. That's what you need to do also. So you don't have to take a 4 trade, 3 trade in a day. Just 1 trade is more than enough for you. The most important thing here is we are focusing on the quality, not the quantity. Don't forget that. Take a 1 quality setup and finish your day. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.